Okay, in this video I will show you guys how to change or replace the blade on a DeWalt saw. It's a 7¼ inch blade, and having a project, I have to build a shed on my backyard, so I have to change the blade. I have to replace it with this one. Okay, so let me place the phone and I show you guys. Okay, first of all, we have to take off this one, the bolt. But to take off that, you have to press this to stop the blade. This thing stops the blade from moving. So it's going to be easy for you to work. Use your hand. Open it up and change it. Take off the old blade and replace it with a new one. Careful, don't get hurt. Okay, it's the same way to do it. Same thing, we place this so the blade don't move. You see, press it harder, and with the tool who we took before from this side, and then we have to put it back again there. We tied it up in the opposite direction. You see, this is the direction you take it off, and this is the opposite direction. Here it shows how the blade's supposed to be. Okay guys, you see the arrow here, right? Gotta be in the same direction. It's a short video, but very useful. And my skill saw, my DeWalt skill saw is ready for work. Thank you for watching. Don't forget, like and subscribe. Thank you guys.